For generations, a cardboard box was simply a cardboard box, a convenient and disposable container. But recent years have brought dramatic developments in the carton marketplace, with rapid evolution in such areas as materials, die cutting, and printed graphics. Which means that the corrugated containers market, now worth over 4 billion Saudi riyals a year in the kingdom alone, isn't just about packing and shipping, but it's also a powerful tool in branding, marketing, and merchandising. A booming population and increased consumer demand have helped ensure a very healthy packaging sector, with year-on-year growth consistently exceeding 10%. And one of the key Saudi players in this sector, with a total market share of 10 to 15%, is the Gulf Carton Factory Co. Our clients include many big-name product manufacturers, especially the Kingdom's top brands in fast-moving consumer goods. And our executive director, heading up a 450-strong workforce, is rightly proud of how far we've come.
Gulf Carton has established a strong and good reputation in the corrugated business, thanks to forward thinking, innovation, a constant desire to improve. Our precise customer services have enabled us to win the trust of our own clients and to meet their expectations.
So where did it all begin? First established by a group of businessmen as a limited liability company in 1995, the Gulf Carton Factory became in 2008 part of the Jabr Holding Company, one of the kingdom's best respected business groups, with wide interests ranging from home appliance sales and car dealerships to soft drinks, building materials, electronic chips, carton production, and laundry and dry cleaning services. Now among the largest and most innovative players in the GCC market, the company has a strong focus on new technology and innovative design. But the key to our business success has always been, and continues to be, our commitment to outstanding customer care.
We are always greatly moved by the support and positive feedback we received from our clients, whom we regard as our partners. Our goal is to be a model in the corrugated industry, envied by other manufacturers in terms of services, quality, as well as community and environmental activities.
The company is located at Al Uyun Industrial City in Ahsa in the eastern region, to the southwest of Dammam. We also have sales offices in Riyadh, Dammam and Jeddah, as well as agents abroad to serve international buyers. We produce containers, trays, and corrugated board products to meet the needs of customers in the dairy, food, soft drink, industrial, agricultural, and commercial sectors. Investment in our advanced machinery at our 42,000 square meter facility has given us a production capacity of 35,000 cartons per hour, amounting to more than 80,000 tons of high-quality product each year. Our design and manufacturing capability are second to none. Given our high-tech equipment, such as Bob's printing machines for high-definition graphics, future technical advances hold the promise of a fully automated factory. Our quality is recognized, of course, by ISO 9001 certification and by food safety standards such as ISO 22000 and FSC COC. We also have a QA laboratory with all the instruments needed to conduct quality tests, from the raw materials right through to the finished products. So what do we make? Regular slotted containers, or RSCs, are the most commonly used type of box, available in many sizes and design variations, with the possibility of printing in up to 5 colors. Die-cut trays are used mostly for packing water, soft drinks, or dairy products on automatic packing lines. Pads, partitions, and corrugated sheets are used to cushion and secure goods inside the outer packaging, particularly useful for bottles and glass jars. Single-face rolls and sheets act as wrapping to protect goods, especially in the confectionery industry. Folded and glued boxes help save time and cost when packing manually, and are popular in the frozen chicken and meat sector. Corrugated hangers are an innovative development designed to replace metal and plastic clothes hangers in the retail and laundry sectors. And for most products, high graphic printing is possible, with 6 or 7 colors and a varnish for high gloss if required.
Good packaging design can be crucial to building a brand these days, especially when it comes to differentiating a client's product on the shelf. Our design team works directly with the brand managers to create packages that are eye-catchy, fit for use, and cost-effective.
Good design, of course, is one more part of our total customer care philosophy. And that commitment to clients is the main reason why you should choose Gulf Carton Factory. In the front line of customer satisfaction is our 20-strong team of consumer service agents. These are the people dedicated to ensuring goods are delivered on time, helping our clients get their products to market, however tight the deadline may be. For in the end, that's the real value of a business partner.